Hello, Eco Clean Queen here. Thank you for visiting my channel. I'm excited that you're here. It is my passion to share with you my tips and tricks to cleaning your home using eco-friendly cleaning methods. These small cleaning tasks will make you feel like you've accomplished something. You'll forget about it, come back to that space that you cleaned earlier, and it'll make you feel good. It's almost like doing something for your future self. Today I'm going to talk to you about cleaning products. First we have to break things down. And let's start with dirt. Dirt can accumulate and create a crust. Or if it has liquid, it can create a mold. Now a lot of us think about bacteria and we think that we have to kill as much as possible. And so you'll see on a lot of bottles that cleaning products that it'll kill 99% of all bacteria, and I would encourage you to steer away from those types of products, and here's why. If you kill 99%, the 1% is the type of bacteria that survived, and bacteria multiplies. So if you have dirt, you want to soften it so that you can break it down. So it really depends on the type of material you have in your house to which product you'll use. If you like this topic, go ahead and give it a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos. These are my top 4 cleaning products. I use these products to clean just about everything in my home. Apple cider vinegar, Castile soap, olive oil, and baking soda. And in this video, I'll talk to you about my top 4 cleaning tools. I use a walnut sponge, a Quad Zero steel wool pad, a razor blade, and a surgical rag. In this video, I will teach you how to clean a stove, a bathroom mirror, a bathroom sink, stainless steel, and a tile floor. Spray apple cider vinegar to loosen up the dirt. Sprinkle baking soda on the dirt. Use the Quad Zero wool pad to scrub the dirt. If the dirt doesn't come up easily, let it sit for a little while to soften the dirt. Use the walnut sponge to soak up all the dirt. Use the surgical rag to wipe away any moisture. Now let's grab a clean surgical rag, apple cider vinegar, and let's clean the bathroom mirror. Wipe from top to bottom, left to right, or right to left. Then fold the surgical rag to a dry side and buff the mirror using circular motions. Now let's clean the bathroom sink. The faucet is chrome. The base is not made of ceramic, so I'll be a little careful with it. And the backsplash is tile. First, let's spray apple cider vinegar over everything to soften up the dirt. Let's sprinkle baking soda over the sink. This will be our abrasive. Now let's use the walnut sponge with the Castile soap to create a solution to clean the entire sink. Let's use the Quad Zero steel wool pad to take care of the imperfections around the sink hole and also around the faucet. Rinse with the walnut sponge and take off all the soap from everywhere so that we can later dry it with the surgical rag. You might be able to use less water than I did here. Use the surgical rag to dry everything And then you can also use the other folded dry side and buff dry. Now to spot clean the tile floor, spray apple cider vinegar, then grab the walnut sponge and scrub it entirely. Then use the razor blade to remove any gunk that might be left over from grout or paint, and then use a rag to wipe it, and also use another dry rag to buff it dry. Now let's clean stainless steel. Spray apple cider vinegar onto your surgical rag, and then look at the grains of the stainless steel. Which direction are the lines going? If you look very closely, there are lines on the stainless steel. Make sure that you're wiping with the lines. After cleaning the stainless steel with apple cider vinegar, you can use olive oil on another side of the surgical rag. To finish up, you can use another side of the rag to buff dry. Hello, It is my passion to teach you how to clean using eco-friendly cleaning methods. If you like these types of videos, give it a thumbs up, comment below, or hit the subscribe button.